Just as papers benefit from having a specific focus, paragraphs are stronger when they have a unique angle. This paragraph opens with the sentence, "Computers are essential tools for writers." The next sentence expands on that notion. Because computers allow text to be easily changed and moved, they provide writers with an efficient means for revising their work. The following sentence builds on that idea. Using a word processor, writers can compose freely, knowing that they can rearrange or revise their texts at any time. So, the first three sentences seem to be talking about computers as tools and expanding on that idea by showing how word processors allow writers to revise and rearrange their work. The next sentence, "Computers also make it easy to provide feedback for writers," moves in a new direction, but it is not too drastic a shift. However, this sentence, "The Internet brings millions of individuals together to share information and communicate," is a pretty drastic shift. Now we're talking about the Internet. But in the sentence that follows, we return to our original focus. Writers can use features such as the ability to insert comments in a document using a word processor to offer advice to one another. Now, if we go back to look at the unity of this paragraph, we can see that there are some problems. We're talking about word processors at the bottom and the top. Yet in the middle, we shift to discussing the Internet. The shift harms the paragraph's unity, and we need to rethink the organization of this paragraph. Since much of the paragraph is really about writing in word processors, we might use some of the ideas in the last sentence to reorganize things. We can revise the opening sentence to focus on word processors and how they allow writers to receive feedback and revise. We can build the rest of the paragraph around that focus, eliminating any extraneous information. We can get rid of the sentence about the Internet and discuss it on its own in another paragraph. We can also clean up any repetition. So our paragraph now is much more directly about word processors and how they can be used by writers. We've developed a much better sense of unity in this paragraph.